Hello everyone. In this video, let us discuss the concept called organizing. Now, let us talk about the topics to be covered. First topic is definition, second is meaning, and third one is nature. Let us start with the definition of organizing. First definition is according to Theo Haimann, organizing is the process of defining and grouping the activities of the enterprise and establishing the authority relationship among them. Now the question is how to memorize this definition easily. In order to memorize this definition, first uh, we have to identify the keywords. Here we have two keywords in this particular definition. First keyword is defining and grouping the activities. Second is establishing the relationship among them. Here it involves defining and grouping the activities involves in the organization. Different activities will be grouped would be grouped into departments. We have functional areas in organization where different activities are grouped based on its functions. For example, a manufacturing concern may have different departments such as marketing, production, finance, personnel, etc. Then establishing the authority relationship in the sense, here top level managers, they are having power or authority to assign work to employees. Next definition is, according to Louis Allen, organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, defining and delegating the authority and responsibility, and establishing relationship for the purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together in accomplishing the objectives. Okay, here in this particular definition, we have to check how many keywords are there in this definition. We have four keywords. One is the process of identifying and grouping the work. Second is defining and delegating the authority and responsibility. Third keyword is establishing relationship, and last one is accomplishing the objectives. So first we will explain this. Okay, we are going to explain this to understand this definition better. First keyword is identifying grouping of work. First, we have to all the activities in the organization need to be grouped into departments, and each department will be uh, uh, each department, one person is responsible. One person is responsible to look after each department. Now next is defining and delegating the authority and responsibility. Here, top level management usually delegating the authority to employees in the organization. Employees are responsible for accomplishing the task. Then, next keyword is establishing relationship. Establishing relationship in the sense maintaining good relationship among people working for an organization. Next, accomplishing objectives in the sense ultimate objectives. That is nothing but achievement of organizational objectives. So, this is the definition given by Louis A. Allen. Now let us discuss organizing meaning. If you know the definition of organizing, then it is easy to you to write the meaning based on it. Here, first point is organizing is the process management process after planning. Then it involves the assignment of tasks, the grouping of tasks into departments, and the assignment of authority with adequate responsibility and allocation of resources to achieve common goal. Here, the ultimate objective is to achieve the common goal. Now let us discuss the nature of organization. First point is group of persons. Organizing consists of arranging manpower. It involves group of activities to achieve organizational objectives. Next point is common objective. Every individual in organization should have common objective. Every organization has short, medium term and long term goal. These are the goal organization seeks to achieve or accomplish. Next point is division of work. Division of work involves dividing any work into small tasks among employees based on their specialization. For example, manufacturing a car. Some workers will design the car, some will work on detailing, and some workers will work on testing car, etc. This is based on their specialization. Next point is cooperative effort. Cooperative effort is nothing but there should be a cooperation between employee and employer, which is important for organizational success. Next point is communication. Communication is an integral part of an organization. It may include communicating the objectives or policies among employees, encouraging employees to provide suggestions on important matters relating to organization, etc. Next is central authority. In this, top level management have the power to take make decision in an organization. For example, decision on how to arrange manpower, raw materials, uh, and tools and capital, etc. So here we have finished the nature of organization. In the next video, we will discuss some other management concept. Thank you.